Hello everyone, I am Fiona. Today we will show you the testing video of a 50 kg/hour EPS compactor machine. It requested manually put the EPS waste into the compactor machine, and the machine will automatically crush and compress. Here are the advantages of this EPS compactor machine. Provides a high compact ratio to ensure maximum volume reduction. The design of the machine takes into account user-friendliness, with simple controls and minimal maintenance requirements. Now let's watching the whole testing process.
For more information about EPS machine and EPS mode, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.